RPM though. Ain't gonna give no fuck. Road ain't big enough for a fucking Aussie tipping. Well, pretty good. The last burnout there, I heard the valves just loosen right up to fucking diesel spec. So it's all. I mean, when you're turning shit to that RPM, I don't have stud girdles, so like those rocker tip bolt studs things are just flailing around like a dongus, I'm sure. It's happened before. The last time I valve loaded the fuck out of this thing, and it was just like one or two was out of adjustment. So we're gonna have to fix that again. But obviously I tried to do a little tip in, but me road is not wide enough, so we didn't fucking do it. There's some oil pissing all over the oil cooler line, so I gotta check that. It's usually not wet, not that side at least, so. But it still has 60 pounds oil. Well, I say 60 pounds. The gauge only reads up to 50, and it's always buried past it, like way over there in the corner. So that's probably like 60, 70 pounds of oil pressure. And it didn't come down even after the valves loosened up. So I know the bottom end is solid because it's a full steel rotating assembly, full floater, blah, 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 blah. That's all it is. Who fucking gives a shit? Makes noise, thing does things, smoke come from tire. Have a nice fucking day.